In this video, I will be showing you how to build a digital product website with Wix. Once on Wix.com, you can create an account for completely free. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Then you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. Once you have done that, you can select Online Store, or you can simply tap on the search bar and you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. For this example, I'm just going to select Online Store. After doing that, you'll tap on Continue and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll be able to enter the name of your store. So let's say, for example, I will be selling ebooks. So I'm just going to type in ebooks right there. Then tap on Continue. After you have done that, you can see, are you just getting started or have you sold stuff online already? I'm going to be selecting just getting started. Then you'll tap on Continue. After you have done that, since we are selling digital products, we're going to select digital product right there. But you can see that you have 4 other options that you can choose from. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Continue. And we are going to be selecting Online Store. Then select Continue once more. Then we're going to tap on Continue to Dashboard. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is adding our first product. To do this, you're going to hover over Catalog right here, and you're going to select Store Products, and you're going to tap on Products. Then you're going to tap on New Product in the top right-hand corner, and you're going to select Digital File. After selecting Digital File, from here you'll be able to upload the digital product that you'll be selling. So this is where you're going to upload the file that your customers will receive a link for once they have completed their payment. So you're going to tap on Upload File, and you can see the different type of files that you can upload. So whether it is a zip file, a document, an audio file, or image. So for example, if you wanted to sell music, you could do that by selecting audio file right there. Let's say, for example, we were to select zip file. After you have selected zip file, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to tap on Upload Media. Then you can select Upload from Computer. Then I'm going to be selecting this zip file, for example, that I had created earlier, and you can see it is being uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, you'll tap on Add to Product in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you would add the product name. So again, I'm just going to be calling this Test Ebook. Then you could add a quick description right here. After you have added the description, this is where you would add the ebook cover or whichever digital product you're selling. So for example, if it is a case that you're selling music, this is where you would add the album cover. So you'll simply tap on Add Images, and then from there you'll tap on Upload Media once more, and you can select your device. Then I'm going to be selecting the ebook cover right here. Then in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to tap on Add to Page. So you can see it right here. It has been uploaded. Let me simply refresh this page right here. After that, you'll select the cover, then tap on Add to Page. After you have added it to the page, you'll be able to set the price that you would like to sell it for. So for example, we'll be selling it for $10. So I can type in $10 right there. And if you like to scroll down and you like to set your profit margin, you can also do that. And if it is a case that you like to track inventory, you could do that. But since this is a digital product, you won't need to do that, as track inventory would normally be necessary for physical products. Then you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save, we're going to be deleting the sample products that were added. So all you'll need to do is tap on the box right here to select all products. Then you're going to unselect the digital product that you have uploaded. After doing that, you're going to tap on More Actions. Then you'll tap on Delete. Then tap on Delete once more. After you have tapped on Delete once more, you can see only your digital product is now on the store. So what we're going to be doing from here is we're going to go over to the top left hand corner. You're going to tap on Getting Paid. Then you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. After you have tapped on Connect Payment Method, you can offer different payment options depending on the country you're located in. So for example, you can set up TillupPay and PayPal like how I'm located in Jamaica. But if we were to change the location, so let's say for example's sake, I were to type in Canada right here, you can see that I would be able to offer a different set of payment options. So it all depends where you're located. Once you have set up the payment options, you're going to tap on Setup in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site. After selecting Design Site, you're going to tap on Customize a Template. And from here, you can choose from any one of these templates right here. Or you could simply tap in the top right-hand corner and you can search based on your preferences. So for example, I could hover over Store, select Books and Publishers. Then I can see different templates that I can choose from. And I could tap on Edit for whichever one that I find suitable. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, from here, you can continue your setup. So all you'll need to do is tap on the plus 50% in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on the plus 50%, you can edit each section. By simply hovering over it with your mouse cursor, you could tap on Quick Edit and you can make the changes that you want. So for example's sake, if there's a case that you would like to add something that you don't see on your website, you could tap on the plus in the top left-hand corner that says Add Elements. From here, you can drag and place any one of these elements. Whether it is a case that you would like to add music, a pop-up form, or anything at all, you'll find it right here. And to get access to all of the pages on your website, you're going to tap right where you see Home in the top left-hand corner, and you will see all of the pages that are on your website. And you can select a particular page, and from there, you can quickly edit it, just like what I had said earlier, by simply hovering over the different sections and selecting Quick Edit. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish and your website will now be live. Keep in mind the only pullback when it comes onto Wix and selling digital or physical products. To collect payment, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plans are quite affordable and I would definitely recommend it if you're planning to start making some money online.